Easy steps on how to make avocado toast with salmon. Make sure you have all of your ingredients: smoked salmon, arugula, bread, avocado, tomato, and jalapeno. Step 1. Cut the avocado. Smash in bowl. Now cut up your tomatoes and jalapeno and put it in the same bowl. Step 2, grab your toast and go ahead and toast it. Step 3, put avocado on toast. Step 4, put your greens on toast. I prefer arugula. Step 5. Now it's time to put some delicious smoked salmon. And there you go, a mouth-watering avocado toast with smoked salmon from scratch.